हेलो एवरीवन, हाय। कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी लोग स्वस्थ होंगे, मस्त होंगे, बढ़िया होंगे। सभी की तैयारी काफ़ी अच्छी चल रही होगी। तो चलो आओ आज के सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। थोड़ा सा डिले हो गए बट या देयर इज़ अ सेशन, डेफिनेटली वी आर हियर। CCI Competition Commission of India approved the acquisition of certain shareholding in Micro Life Science Private Limited by Platinum Jasmine 2018 Trust. Approximately what percentage of shareholding in target company is being acquired by Bilaghai Holdings Private Limited? So this is 3.06% of shareholding that is acquired by them, and the proposed combination entails subscribe to certain equity share proposed by the issue by the target and acquire certain equity shares of the target from Bilaghai Holdings Private Limited amounting to approx 3.06% shareholding in the target. And जो Platinum Jasmine A 2018 Trust है, who is the acquirer, is an investment entity owned and controlled by Abu Dhabi Investment Authority. आगे चलते हैं। और उससे पहले देखो, ऐप जिसने भी अभी तक इंस्टॉल नहीं किया है, ऐप इंस्टॉल कर लो, ठीक है। ऐप में आपको सभी तरह, अच्छा है आपको PDF डाउनलोड करनी हो, सभी फीचर्स जैसे आपको मिलते हैं, ठीक है, वैसे वेबसाइट पे उसी तरह सभी फीचर्स ऐप में होंगे। आपको बार बार लॉगिन बेसिकली टैब्स में नहीं करना पड़ेगा, आपके फ़ोन में ऐप है, आप इजीली नेविगेट कर सकते हो। चलो आप आगे चलते हैं। CCI ने अप्रूव किया है द प्रपोज एक्विजिशन ऑफ 49% शेयर होल्डिंग इन आइसलैंड स्टार मॉल डेवलपर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड by which of the following companies. So this has been done by the Phoenix Mills Limited, and the proposed transaction involves the complete exit of Canada Pension Plan Investment Board from its 49% equity investment in ISM DPL जो टारगेट है। As a result, Phoenix Mills Limited या तो they directly acquire through affiliates or they'll become the 100% stakeholder, hereby they'll gain the full control, चाहे directly बोलो indirectly बोलो। Acquire involve development, operation, leasing of commercial and retail space including retail mall, commercial offices, hospitality, asset, food and beverages establishment, and जो sale of resident properties है through its various subsidiaries. This includes activities such as designing, executing and marketing. Target both directly and through its subsidiary is primarily engaged in the development as in design, execution, marketing, सभी तरह के operations में it is involved. आगे चलते हैं। जो एक्सपोर्ट इम्पोर्ट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया है, उसने रिसेंटली एंटर किया है इनटू कमर्शियल क्रेडिट लाइन एग्रीमेंट वर्थ $40 million with which of the leading regional investment bank to support the development project. This is ECOWAS Bank for Development, ठीक है। Basically the agreement facilitates and it is basically intended to support infrastructure and sectorial investment, चाहे वो एनर्जी, हेल्थ, ट्रांसपोर्ट, एग्रीकल्चर और बाकी फील्ड्स में हो, ठीक है। India Exim Bank has maintained its partnership with EBID since 2006 and it provides the 6 credit facilities totaling around $1.14 billion to support Indian exports to Africa. If you talk about the bank, it is leading regional investment development bank owned by the 15 Economic Community of West African States member states, and it has headquartered in Lome in टोगोइसा रिपब्लिक। आगे चलते हैं। हाल ही में बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र ने पार्टनरशिप किया SBI कार्ड के साथ एंड लॉन्च किया को ब्रांडेड क्रेडिट कार्ड। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ वेरिएंट ऑफ दिस कार्ड। देखो, इस कार्ड के कुछ वेरिएंट हैं, उनमें से प्लैटिनम प्लस जो है वो वेरिएंट नहीं है। सिंपल सेव है, प्राइम है, लाइट है। ये जो प्लैटिनम है वो वेरिएंट नहीं है, ठीक है। There are 3 variants. Credit card will available on RuPay as well as Visa Pay, and it accept through all the merchant outlet globally, and the partnership basically aims to provide enhanced value and convenience that cater to the diverse lifestyle, and it involves the need of all the customers. Co-branded credit card offers benefits that include reward points, fuel surcharge, waiver, utility bill डिस्काउंट, टेबल पे, डाइनिंग पे, शॉपिंग पे, ठीक है, कॉन्टैक्टलेस पेमेंट होगी, जो एक क्रेडिट कार्ड में सभी फीचर्स होते हैं. all features are included in this credit card also. What is the extension date approved by the SEBI, Security and Exchange Bureau of India, for the repledge margin framework in the depository system? So this has been now October 10, 2025, and SEBI has extended this deadline. Basically the new framework है which was earlier set to take place in September, now shifted to October. जो market regulator है, they have announced the extension through the circular issued in exercise of the power conferred under the section 11(1) of chapter 4 of SEBI Act 1992, that read with regulation 30 of chapter 7 of SEBI Stockbroker Regulation 1992. Fine. On June 3rd, 25, SEBI issued a circular regarding margin obligation to give the way of pledge or repledge in the depository system. Now it has been basically जो extension है वो थोड़ी सी extend हुई है, deadline थोड़ी सी, ठीक है, 1 month की. आगे चलते हैं. Which bank in India become the first urban cooperative bank to receive license to become a small finance bank? तो शिवालिक मर्सेंटाइल BC एशिया रेजिंग फंड जो कॉर्पोरेट वेंचर है, को फाउंड किया गया है by this, has acquired 4.99 stake in this, and this investment amounting to $7 million and values to the bank around 1,200 crore. And by this it commenced its journey as a district level urban cooperative bank from सहारनपुर in UP. and 2001 में जो शिवालिक है, it has received its license from Reserve Bank of India, and they have become the small finance bank, the first one, right, who can work as a small finance bank, right. So अभी acquisition हुआ है. Question जो पूछा था बेसिकली जैसे हमने देखा स्टैटिक में ही था, बट करंट की न्यूज़ को किस तरह से स्टैटिक में पूछा जा सकता है वो भी हम इन करंट अफेयर सेशंस में देखते हैं, ठीक है. आगे चलते हैं. अगर करंट की न्यूज़ को स्पेसिफाई करो तो यू नो इट इज़ अबाउट एक्विजिशन, राइट, दैट इज़ 5% और यू कैन से 4.99% का एक्वायर किए हैं स्टेक्स इन स्मॉल शिवालिक स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक ने. किसने किए हैं? SMBC एशिया रेजिंग फंड ने, जो एक कोऑपरेटिव वेंचर है वेंचर कैपिटल फंड है बाय दी जापान्स सुमितोमो मित्सुबिशी बैंक किंग कॉर्पोरेशन, ठीक है. आगे चलते हैं. विच पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक हैज़ रिसेंटली partnered with Mumbai Metro 1 Private Limited for providing QR based ticketing services to boost the commuter convenience and promote the digital payment in public transport. तो it is Indian Overseas Bank, ठीक है. डी आंसर जो है वो आपका करेक्ट होगा. Indian Overseas Bank has signed an MOU basically with Mumbai Metro 1 Private Limited, and this includes the issuing of smart cards for regular commuters along with the paper tickets and QR based option. And the new solutions है, they were linked with Mumbai Metro ticketing application program interface, and will this setup enable real time validation of tickets and the immediate confirmation for the commuters. Mumbai Metro Line 1 connect Warsaw, Andheri, Ghatkopar areas of the city. आगे चलते हैं. To surveillance, reconnaissance and logistic support through indigenous drone system, Indian Institute of Information Technology Manipur, IIT Manipur recently inked MOU with which of the following paramilitary forces in India? तो असम राइफल्स के साथ इन्होंने बेसिकली MOU एग्रीमेंट आप कह सकते हैं साइन किया है. दिस कोलैबोरेशन बेसिकली एम्स टू strengthen surveillance, reconnaissance logistic support through the indigenous drone system. And as a part of this initiative, जो advanced drone training है and refresher course है, ठीक है, it was launched to equip Assam Rifles personals with skills in drone fight operations maintenance, DGCA certified training. And जो program है, it basically aim to strengthen surveillance, reconnaissance and logistics support capabilities. आगे चलते हैं. The Press Registrar General of India (PRGI) launched the Press Seva portal. What is the primary objective of this portal? जो इस portal का primary objective है वो है to act as a single window solution for registration of newspapers and periodicals. ठीक है, this portal Press Seva, this initiation, basically this portal aims to boost transparency, ensure ease of doing business and assist publisher. The launch was announced during the Vartalap that is organized by Press Information Bureau PIB Hyderabad, and the implementation and support for the publisher include PIB Hyderabad Additional Director General Shruti Patil highlighted that it was the first interactive session in Telangana and clarified the doubts regarding any of the periodical acts, and it announces the dedicated helpline for publisher with PRGI support. So this was it from today's session. I hope you guys might have liked this session. पसंद आया तो like करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना. Thank you so much.